You're welcome. This is how you create a cohort-based course on the useallies platform. The first thing you want to do is click on Create Course. Enter your details. After you've entered your details, click on Create Course. Let's hide our basic info, open your pricing, and set up the pricing option for cohorts. Let's assume this is $100 and 170,000 in Naira. You could choose to give them discount, but let's not give them. Let's click on Save. The next thing you want to do now is to set up your first cohort. So click on New Cohort. Let's say the start date. This cohort is starting on the 30th of January and going to end on the 30th of March. So assuming it's a 3-month cohort. Click on Submit. Once you've done that, you will notice that you've created the cohort. So the next thing that you want to do right now is to set up your live class schedules. So this is going to be how people will join your live classes. So let's set up our first live class. So you come over here. Let's call this one Introduction. And you can put in your details here. Set the date for this particular live class. Since the course starts on the 30th of January, let's our first class be on the 30th of January. Set the time. Let's assume that this class is going to hold by 6:30 p.m., right? So let's put 6:30 p.m. here. All right. The next thing, now you want to add a live class link. So this is where you paste either your Google Meet link, your Google Zoom link, any link at all that you have. This is where you're going to actually paste it. This is where you paste your meeting link for this particular live class. It could be a Google Meet link or a Zoom link. So let's click on Submit now. So you've created your first live class. You could go ahead and add more. So now you could see all your live classes. You could set up as so many live classes as you want. Your students, once they enroll for the course, they'll be able to see this in their own dashboard and be able to join the live classes. The next thing you want to do is to publish this course. So let's scroll up. Let's click on Publish Course. Congratulations, your course is now live. So you want to see the link to your cohort. So you click on links here. The second one here is the link to your cohort. So let's click on it. As you can see, you've completely set up your first cohort and you are actually ready to start selling this particular course. But the next thing that you need to do is to hide your content, because you did not upload any content. You can actually choose to hide this particular content, right? So let's see how we can hide it. On your basic info, scroll down here, you see display course content. You click on hide, then click on save changes. So if we come back to our cohort link and refresh this particular page, realize that there is no longer content right here. So that is it. This is how you set your cohort-based course on the useallies platform. Thank you for watching this particular video.